Our friends in the Kennedy camp, yayemu brain surgery biana. Since when in the New Patriotic Party? Now, the people who are making noise about this Congress, as if ABB not heard of before, and I'm so sad and shocked. Today I didn't want to come giddy giddy, but sometimes when you think about some of these things, yeah. Our friends in the Ken Agyapong camp, have you undergone any kind of negative brain surgery? I need to ask. Because I don't get it. Madam Mo, you are welcome. I don't get it. Like, our friends in the Kennedy camp, yayemu brain surgery biana. Since when in the New Patriotic Party has an annual delegate conference become an issue? And constitution, no more name. Are you not aware of what the constitution of the New Patriotic Party says? The constitution says that the national delegates must meet at least once every year. At least once every year. Or you don't know. It's so shocking sometimes when you go on some people's lives. Madam One, welcome. And yeah, I am from MPP for. Then some kind of argument. Because we used to be a people that advance intellectual arguments. Lady Shorts, you are welcome. And what has happened? Because of one flag bearer election, one flag bearer race, people have decided to sell even their brain. Mastura say, it's so hurtful, bro. User 4 to say thanks, boss. Adeng. Yeah, some so sad, but I was even thinking that by now, no, these guys will have woken up to reality, and we would all do a campaign. You support whoever you want to support. Nobody is asking you not to support who you want to support. So because of MPP internal election, they are no longer seeing anything wrong with John Mahama's administration. No. Then, Mami says that typical NDC characteristics in MPP is very, very annoying. And sometimes you just feel like, let me request so that they pick me, let me go and tell them my mind. And now they become so smart that when they even see about me on your DP, they will not pick you. Adeng. Because of that, you people went to the extent of a friend is saying, how do you call it? You went to the extent of taking the flyer that the party has done. Our delegate flyer, no. And then you wrote a friend is saying, they took the national flyer for the delegate conference and they wrote postponed on it and started sharing it on platforms. Like, what is wrong with you people? Who has bewitched you? How much have you been paid? How much? Tell it, nobody is scared of you people. And sometimes it pains me that the person we are following, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, will not give us the permission to match you boot for boot. How many are you people? You organize lives, you even barely get 20 people in your life. It should tell you something. It should sound a certain caution to you. You are organizing a whole life. Barely 20 people are on, including people who are serving as your guests. It should tell you something. It should give you a signal. Say, maybe what you are doing is wrong. And some of you, I can swear anything to you that no matter what apologies you come with, after 31st January, you will not be accepted to campaign for Dr. Bawumia. I tell you. Because recently, I was around 11 p.m. I came across Alex Tete's live. And the man was spewing gibberish and was telling lies. That when he went, that last year, when he joined Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia's campaign, those are the things he saw. And the guy was just lying, one lie after the other. So we are learning our lesson. Some of you, we would not give you that room to join Bawumia's campaign. Then you should just pray that Bawumia should not become flag bearer. Because should he become, some of you will not be part of the campaign. If you like, go and join NDC. But you are not more human beings than anybody. You are not more MPP than anybody. The flyer that the party has done, inviting delegates, you take the flyer, especially that MPP USA platform, Ken Agyapong USA platform. We have all the text messages. We have all of them. And very soon, I'm going to be asking permission from our people who are hidden amongst you, who have been sending us the screenshots. I'm going to ask permission from them, and I am going to be showing with all your names. I'm not joking. I'm not bluffing. If you want, I can show you one right now. Mama Pam says, I agree with you. Thank you, Mama Pams. I can show you. We had your conversation. Everything you plan, we have it. Some of us have decided not to mind you. One party. I'm not sure, say, even the tightest of contest between the Akufo-Addos and Alan went this way. Now, be our friend who MPP, you are able, you have the confidence to take the party's flyer and do whatever you want on it and start sharing. To the extent that the office of the former president, Akufo-Addo, had to come out and clarify. If you will give me 5 seconds, I can show you some of the things. Let me show you. Maybe people will think I'm lying. I will show you something. Please give me just 3 seconds. Let me save the picture and show it to you right here. For you to know we are on your platform and we see everything that you are planning. We see it. There are a lot of people you think are on your side, are not on your side, but they are angry with the evil nature that is entering you. So they are in there and they are just leaking all your information out. I'm telling you. Anyway, 3 seconds. Let me show it to you. Thank you for waiting for me. I just want to show you one of such things that they do. You might think I'm lying, so let me show you as evidence. Why? Me, I said I won't mind you people. That's how I made up my mind. But like, sorry to say, but Jimmy no ya do sudodo. Jimmy no ya do sudodo. Are good? You might have seen this thing circulating. Right? See, this is one of their platforms. So this is Team Ken USA, right? See. So if you see today they were circulating this thing. You see, this camp should go. You see a video that was circulating today like this. A case leader cannot lead us. This one. It was manufactured on this page. Team Ken USA. And that's the guy's name there. Jerry. He's in New York. It is right there. We are on your platform. You think we are not on your platform? We are there. And we know everything you are doing. Are they? So people, I've shown it to you. I have all your messages, all your plans. I have them. I have them. With all the things John Mahama is doing. All the bad things, evil things John Mahama is doing. MPP ni. Or be your friend who MPP ni. All you can think about is how to use Abronye, Dr. Mahmoud Bame's picture and do something bad about it and be circulated. MPP ni. MPP ni. Jimmy and I said, look. All their messages is here. See, why Dr. Mahmoud Bamia must resign, party unity and renewal. All this nonsense of articles, all of them, we see it. We know who cooks it. The times are there. The team is there. The names are there. Your numbers are there. We have all. People should be careful. Because all these things, we are gathering it as evidence. And at the 31st, some of you, either you resign from the party or we will force you to resign. Are they? Charlie, let's go to today's topics. Sorry if I said something I was not supposed to say. But it's bad. Even what President Kufuor said. These guys quickly just misconstrued whatever President Kufuor said. And started making it as though President Kufuor was talking against executives of the party. Which wasn't so. President Kufuor was speaking a proverb. And it was because people don't go and consult him until when they want to contest for a position. That's when they remember President Kufuor is there to go and ask him questions. That was what he was saying. That was what President Kufuor was talking about. MPP, we are not like NDC. We respect our previous heads of state. We respect them. We adore them. We worship them. We worship them, man. We worship them. We don't play with President Kufuor. We don't play with Nana Akufo-Addo. We don't. Even say Obi, even party general secretary cry before. We don't play with those people. Mami Abraham, you are welcome. Ken, you have to be very careful. You have to be very careful. Otherwise, you become useless in this party. 3 years is a short time, but it's also a long time. When we sideline you, you become useless. You should ask yourself, how long can you keep this negative energy? Your relevance will not outlive 31st January. I tell you. Your relevance will not outlive 31st January. As for that one, be sure of it. It will not outlive it. So please, our friends, use your head, okay? Please use your head. I know there are some Ken supporters here. You can take the message to them. And I am telling you that those of you that I know, there is no way on God's earth you will join Bawumia's campaign. I have told you, those of you that I know that are part of these wicked plots, you will not join. In fact, even some of the national communicators, those of you who play the religious card, the tribal card, all of you will not join Bawumia's campaign. If you like, go and bend the sea. You will not join. Maybe go and create your own party. Possibly. And even if you want to go and create your own party, you can take a cue for what is happening to our friends in the Alliance camp. Say a blue movement or yellow movement or butterfly movement, whatever it is called. Ocean 4, let's go to our first topic for the day. Sorry, but I think we had to just tell our people to, like, they should stop the nonsense. All right, Ocean 4, first topic, Joseph Yamin. Joseph Yamin, NDC4 national organizer. He has come out with a very, very hot revelation. Joseph Yamin has come out with a very, very hot revelation. Mpamucho, type in the comment section, hot. Or if you have time, type hot revelation. Then I know you are ready, and then let's begin. Type hot or hot revelation in the comment section. Let me know you are watching, and let's begin. Let's go. Just 3 people should type it, and then I know you are watching, and we can start. So today, as I told you, we'll be speaking about Joseph Yamin, we'll be speaking about Mustafa Gbande, and then lastly, we'll be speaking about what your mama is saying now, that he has a ban or something. We'll talk about that also. Now, Joseph Yamin, hey, Godfather Rush, you are welcome, has come out. Hey, come on forward. Assembly Ukraine. I know, I'm not living in an estate, okay? Sorry, I'm not living in an estate. So the dogs are also fighting around. Since your mama became president, things have not been the same in this country. Even dogs are not at peace since mama became president. Mama Bonoma is laughing, yes.